Now, if I give you a chance to describe this scene in English, can you do that? Yes, of course you can, but half of you must be struggling with the right vocabulary words to be used in it. Other half must be thinking of words like fight, anger, stress. But if you want to upgrade your vocabulary, then do learn a few words and idioms that I'm going to teach you in this video. First word is combat. Combat means fight. For instance, I'm trying to combat stress by practicing yoga these days. Second word is tussle. Tussle again means fight. For instance, the kid had a tussle over who would play with the toys first. Third word is skirmish. Skirmish again, same meaning fight. You know, there was a brief skirmish between my two friends yesterday. Now is the turn of an idiom that we can again use in this particular situation, and the idiom is at loggerheads. At loggerheads means to be in strong disagreement and argument. Sample sentence: Ria and her roommate were at loggerheads with each other. Lock horns. Lock horns, again the similar meaning, to be in disagreement or fight with someone. Sample sentence: Two teachers locked horns in the school yesterday. अब अगर हमें कहना है यार बहुत हुई लड़ाई, अब लड़ाई को रोको, stop करो. In that particular case, we can use one idiom, and that is call a truce. Call a truce, meaning to agree to stop fighting. अब रोक दे fight. Sample sentence: After hours of fighting, siblings finally decided to call a truce and watch a movie together. जब भी लड़ाई होती है, लड़ाई के साथ बहुत सारे worst consequences भी जुड़े होते हैं, जो नॉट ओनली लड़ाई करने वाले सफर करते हैं, आसपास के लोग भी सफर करते हैं. फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन वी कैन यूज वन इडियम, एंड दैट इज bear the brunt. Bear the brunt means to suffer the worst part of a situation. Sample sentence: When the internet stopped working, students bore the brunt during the online classes. During a team meeting, two managers were at loggerheads over a marketing plan. Loggerheads. The debate turned tense, and they locked horns in the front of everyone. A small skirmish. ध्यान देंगे, skirmish. A small skirmish of words led to a tussle between their teams. The office felt like a zone of combat. Meanwhile, the interns had to bear the brunt of pressure. Finally, the CEO stepped in and asked both sides to call a truce and focus on solutions. Thank you so much. Toodles!